Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing a bunch of GR Yaris parts. So before everything else, me and my dad just want to wish everyone a happy new year. I hope that your 2021 was good and that your 2022 will be better. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go. So let's start with this one, which is not in a box already. You guys know the drill. We're gonna do it from the smallest to the largest box. So this one here is an Advan, Yokohama Advan, what do you call that? Folding utility box. So I'm guessing that you've seen something like this already in the other videos, but they were just a different brand. So this one is specifically Yokohama Advan, and it actually matches with my car because it's red. And so yeah, how many liters is this?
This is for 20 liters.
Okay, so it's a 20-liter utility box. Ta-da! So it's pretty cool. Let's move on to the next item. Let's move on with that.
This one.
What is that? That is, I believe, a part from RSI, which is from Italy. So yeah, let's open it and see what's inside. So these are two long pieces. I don't know what they are. So let's open it. Okay guys, we have finally unboxed it. First things first, we have this carbon fiber tube, which I honestly don't know what it is. My dad also doesn't know what it is because I don't think he ordered this. But it was inside the package, and I don't think it's related to that other item, which is it's a carbon fiber strut bar. So very high quality from RSI. Let me check out the end plate. There, high quality. So the whole thing is carbon lodi, carbon fiber. Let's try to test fit it in under the hood just to show you guys what it looks like. I'm pretty sure it looks good because it's carbon fiber. Yeah, there you go. If you watched the last video, we just installed this DTUK tuning box. And currently, we are on the original Gazoo Racing strut bar. So if you imagine this on that one, it's gonna look really good. It's gonna look like an OEM item because the color is the same, except that the bar is carbon fiber. Look at that. Very nice.
Carbon lodi.
Wait, let me get a close up. There. Very high quality. Nice part. Awesome. Alright.
Made in Italy.
Yes. So the RSI carbon fiber strut bar comes with these items. These are the hardware to install the strut bar properly on the strut mounts. So yeah, we still have no idea what this is. We tried putting it at the rear, but it's too short and it doesn't come with any hardware. And at the same time, we found a factory defect over here, which I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get a close up. We have a factory defect over here. I'm not sure if it's really like that or because of the shipping, but as you guys can see, there's that nasty dent over there. But I don't think this, I don't think the strength is compromised. I mean, it's still one piece. So yeah, no idea what this is. My dad has to confirm with RSI. Yeah, we don't know what it is. Anyway, let's move on to the other items. Next up, guys, we move on to this box. So this box is very special because according to my dad, we actually ordered this 6 months ago. So we had to wait for this box for 6 months because they were still producing the part. So here we're opening it and we're gonna show you guys what's inside. This is what we waited for 6 months, guys. Marshmallows. Kidding aside, let's go and unbox this thing. Hilain mo lang pataas. Ayan, just pull it out like that. Ooh, okay, wait. One by one. I see a plastic over here. And it says Varis GR Yaris fender trim front and rear set. So, okay, this kind of gives it off already. But yeah, their demo car has fender trims on the front and the rear. So this is what it is. Let's open it and we're gonna test fit the part on Project GR Yaris so you guys can see the fitment. So this is not the first time that we're actually ordering a part from Varis. We've actually ordered an original Varis part for Project FK8 Type R, which is the rear fender trim that they did for the FK8. And honestly speaking, no bias perspective, Varis doesn't do well when it comes to fitment of their original parts. I don't know why, but hopefully this front and rear fender trim set for the GR Yaris will fit perfectly so that you don't have to bring it to a body shop, just so that they could perfect the fitment. So this is the second page of the instruction manual, and yeah, this is basically what it's gonna look like. So we have opened it. My dad is holding up the front part, and let's test fit to see the quality. So here, you know it's an original part. It says Varis, made in Japan. So no fake parts over here. Go, let's test fit and see the fitment. So let me hold on to this part. And there you go. So in terms of thickness, it's gonna be thicker by that much. This is perfect for the people who want a wider look but they don't want to cut up the fenders. So this is gonna be thicker by, I think that's 5 to 8 millimeters from the body. So there you go, guys. First in-depth look at the Varis, should you call this over fenders or just a fender trim? Probably just a fender trim. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, let's move on to the rear. These are the parts for the rear. At the rear, you have the front and the rear part. So the front one goes to the fender and the rear part goes to the rear bumper. So let's put it up and see what it looks like. There you go. So fitment wise, how would you rate it from 1 to 10? 10 being the best. I think I'd give it a 8.
Yeah, 8.
8. So yeah, it's not super duper perfect, but also not that bad. So here's the view from afar. There. So it's not that wide here in front, but it only starts getting wider here at the back. So from this angle, that's how much wider it's gonna be. So same as the front, around 5 to 8 mm, depending on which part you measure. But yeah, overall, it looks, honestly, it looks really good. Like I can imagine this with the body color and all. So yeah, really cool part from Varis Japan. So guys, before we proceed to the last 2 boxes, this is actually only one part. Just want to say that all of these parts are available for purchase in Peter's Garage on Facebook. So that's my dad's page, and the link is in the description below.
Okay, FYI, this is the most expensive box that we're going to unbox.
So in the whole unboxing history of my channel, we've now had how many episodes? Around 14, I think. I'm not sure. This is the most expensive part that we are unboxing. So yeah, I hope you guys like it because I know I like it. This is the gold standard.
Hoy, ano to? First in the Philippines to.
So you heard it, guys. This is actually the first Ohlins set in the Philippines. So this is the gold standard, the best suspension, in my opinion, for the GR Yaris. So let us open this box and take a look at this super nice suspension. So on the small box contains the springs, the yellow springs, which look really nice. Okay, there.
Ganda.
Yeah, so it says Ohlins. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. So yeah, you got 4 springs in the small box. Let us open this one. Oh my, Ohlins, let's go. Let's go. Open it. Let's go. Oh, kita na yan. Let's go. Look at that. Wow. So you got the instruction manual. And this isn't our first Ohlins set, actually. We had Ohlins on our WRX before. So it's supposed to have some badges, I think. Where are the free badges? Should be somewhere here. But anyway, maybe they don't give that out anymore because I don't see it here. Let's move this away.
Let's bring out one strut.
And this is the damper. Look at how nice that is. Wow. Look at that. Ohlins DFV. Let me zoom in like that. Dual flow valve Ohlins. Look at that. The quality is unreal. Yeah. So it says here GR Yaris GXPA 16. This is for the rear. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. I can't believe I'm actually touching the gold standard. Okay, anyway, let's move on because that one's for the rear. The ones for the front are actually at the bottom. So these are the, I believe, purchase for the springs. And then there's some hardware over there, and there's a dust boot.
Okay.
Let's just lift this thing. So there's a second layer. I see the spanners over here. The spanners are, oh, they're also branded. It says Ohlins. Oh my, nice. Wow, look at that.
We'll just take out one.
Yeah, so we'll just be bringing out one because it's hassle to put it in again. Look at that. Wow.
My god.
So this is the front damper. Look at the quality. Wow. And this is where you adjust the dampers. Look at that. Wow. That's crazy. That's so nice. Ohlins. Wow. Is it light? Okay, it's not that light, but also not heavy. I would say this is not heavy because I usually can't lift a front strut with just one hand. So yeah, super high quality, guys. I can't even, like, wow. So here's a quick summary of what we've unboxed today. So here's the Ohlins DFV coilovers for the GR Yaris. And then we have the Varis fender trim set for the front and the rear. And then we have the RSI Carbon Fiber strut bar. And then we have the Yokohama Advan utility box. So this is by far the most expensive unboxing that we have ever done. Yeah, so all of these parts, guys, are available at Peter's Garage. So link is in the description. Yeah, if you live in the Philippines, you can buy these stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I will answer your questions when it comes to these parts. So that's about it for this week's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It's short, but the parts that we've unboxed are very, very high quality. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel. Help me reach 10k subs. If you have any questions, just comment them down below. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and stay safe. Goodbye.